Hello, my people. Hello, my people. How not they? Hello, my people. Oh, it's worrying me. Oh, how they worry, man. Meditate, don't they go small. Good evening, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon. How not they? Oh, I see they worry me. Oh, I don't know what I do this. Oh, I know I go. They worry me. Changing of weather. I be they comb my hair just now. I just wash and I know say I know they dry my hair. Mama, you're not happy. I'm not happy. Now the weather. Now cold weather. No, say this weather of 18. If you don't they change. I just they wash my hair. You know, I wash and so I know they dry my hair as I felt tell you now. So I will leave and make it dry on you. So now I see the video where Esther do Jerry wife. I'll play am for now just now because now no say this is 2023, okay? May I say great una. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Good afternoon, everybody. Also now they fine. Okay. So now no say area don't read for social media. If you they follow me well. Una remember when I do one video before I go talk to Esther. Una remember when I do a video when I can say what did they go on between Rita and Lolo, which I don't know. Una remember so many people come they call in, they tell me see where they go, because me I not be that kind of person where they sit down for social media, they carry just they walk up and down. I they find what I want to talk about. Now that one I carry me on social media, not be to do saga or to do another thing. Okay? So when I can't do that video, I was like, okay, I want to know what they go on because of what I see. Because me, I don't know what they go on. You know? I asked. Many people call in that very day. If you go watch, I know they delete my video. I know they delete, let me to share this video. I know they delete my video. More let me call Esther come. Because I don't want waiting. As me, I felt they told this one. I know they delete my video. I talk about that Lolo and Rita. I say more na no quarrel. Even though say quarrel dey between two of you now, more na try, more na make peace. Many people when they talk say na commenters. Now people where they view now they constant, they not get issue. I was like, even me, I not see quarrel or maybe message to this. Normally they not they use and say message to this. They feel they do live video, then they throw the words for inside there. Which I even thought for that video. I know the delete video is there. You know, I can say if maybe it's set, I will not analyze both of them. I talk can. It did my video there. I said because two of them are person where be say I like. Okay? I not go analyze una. If una go fuck up, I not go come on my live video. That's why I see this one. That's why I not see this one. What it make me talk can? Both of them, at the talk cannot be because of say they can't get that issue. At the talk and say, I like two of them. Which people know say I like two of them. Okay? Not be said that they feed me or maybe one kind. You don't get that person where you go see, you go just like them. You understand? Not because I say they carry Rita video or not they carry Rita video. No. You understand? Not be because of that one. Even the time where they carry Rita, now me and maybe when they call aproko, now we blow Rita for real. The time where I follow Rita that time, and the time where he talk your experience, what happened to her, you know, that story where she talk, it make me to share her to my page. She not tell me say they carry, not they carry. But when I watch one of your videos, because they talk say I am free to be carrying a video, so I continue to carry a video when I see say she even talk her. Okay. I not go meet and say, Rita, me they carry your video. Now, when the person they talk come out for a month, if they make me they say, okay, I don't like what this person they do. May I try to, you know? I am already disappointed. Of course, if you know they follow me, now I know say I talk, I'm not verse for my voice. I know say, you not too clear like that. I can't say, okay, since me, I don't see anything where be say they this quarrel like this. Each two of them be like say, can't set me. I not go even talk, say, I will not see him. I will not see him. Not be say, I not see what they go on since yesterday. I just stand for my words. On social media head one baby say, if I not come open now, can't talk, put, maybe the money I not eat. No, you just social media area, now what I like, I just do one because of people where some people did the way they know me. I just they do one because I want me I do one. Me I still they talk to people, you know. What you like if you they do one, you they do one where you they say and say it's stressing you. Ya what any atane come up for them. You like Johnny one when you hey wanna call this one a breaking news. So I know they do that one. So now be that one. So this video where Esther do, come tag me. Esther, since you did this social media, it might hammer where shame on you. Or you are a useless woman, or you are ashamed to. It may time one day. I senior you, okay? But only man make him where I'll carry you. I'll come to insult you. The video where they talk about say me do me come they lie for your head. Esther bear brigand la wo. Because I be that kind of person. If I they analyze your issue, I know they like to insult you. If I want to talk for the issue, I will say na my opinion. Opinion woman I my buy. Okay? I go talk on the way I say if you don't like her, you go verse put. I not go quarrel. You don't like my opinion. I be person where they understand though. You understand? And if it's your but maybe I want to carry your video, I can't insult you because I want to talk for your issue. I don't they do one. People don't they know me for many for you don't still tell now. Ile my way saga or maybe I want just me I go chook my put. So the one where you can't talk say maybe I dey fear Rita. I know the fear whether you may woman no more woman me here. I know they fear anybody. I know they fear. I may be your man in the camera. Person where they fear, not be my husband. Because all we are not we gas in Igri. So me I fair tell you. Person where they fear, not be my or don't know the energy. I dey fear now. If you say hey, I go just obey. That's why I be. Say people when me see for social media, I can't they fear them. Okay, they want to beat me for his house. I don't understand though. So I use this statement in it. I know they fear any bagger. I may be your money. I they respect my age. I they respect say I don't know where my children go waka go. Now make me I they try to make peace. I will play on for now. Now because of Esther, now make me come out. Not before Rita or for Lolo. I don't get time for two of them. Once they don't fight finish, then go sit down for inside house. Shebi because me I listen to them. In my belly your back where I go come to say okay now this one ain't just happen. I don't see okay. So if you think say maybe I fear not can let me, who be that person where I not fear analyze for social media? I be you know they analyze everybody where they for social media. Do you don't see me like that? Say I they do one. I know they do one because he may get. I just select what I want to do. But as once I talk say this thing I not go do one. He where they bear here nobody if he push me say can't do one. I don't fair talk am. Go watch my video if you never watch them. When I talk say what did they happen to them? Two of them na person where I like oh. I don't fair tell now say Rita yemi omo with the papa with my papa now the same area now they build our schools. I don't fair talk here. You understand? So nothing where Rita go do me where go make me come out. I come they insult the papa. No, because I know where I go say okay. Ije ya talon my or something like that. You understand? I know they fear. I know they hide they go. And I be that kind of person where be say if I know say you get where I for know you, I dey try to avoid problem. I not go even go there safe. I not go there. I tell them, God bless you. You're really good for your great wisdom. Of course, because two of them are person where I like. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. God bless you as you are coming. So, Esther, no don't see more where maybe now you want to draw me I can't talk put. No, you know fit. Yeah, tell me you more love back. If I talk and say this person where you there for social media, I will never carry your video, sit down, me I can analyze. If you welele, if more go and look it. People there for social media. If my video, okay, me I carry this one, I want to analyze. Me I carry this one, I want to analyze. No, because of say two of them are person where I like. Now make me even talk that very day. Say if maybe as I dey hear say not true, why damn boy? You know me say they go take my advice. Okay, you know me. First, people tell me now, say, Mama, not do like this. You know me, say, I go take your advice. I mean, no wrong, all my Yahweh in the life, you know. I mean, no wrong, my Yahweh me. Okay? Not be saying now, you want to tell me now, say, I dey fear Rita. Okay, me, I play for now, because I know the like, say, You know, say this social media of a thing. If you like, you respect me. If you don't like, you don't respect me. Or mother de you know who they be. And you know what's important? Mami vision any keke manoye with the when they give me when they not respect me. A cool phone on your answer. If I expect say people wait there for some social media what don't respect me, that means my work be. That means I never ready. I bet you they respect me before throw away the respect move for what there's been. If you want to insult me every blessed day, you are free to do it. But for me, I will never come to insult you. You day. I'm not bien and me, I carry somebody video, me I call the insulter. You carry the video, you will say you are a shameless woman to the event. What you tell her? Do I ever measure something like that to you? Eh? If every woman be like me for this social media, peace are raw. Now you use your mouth to talk. Can you bring a video maybe in that one but no man not wale lo mani we saga or this one? No, you not there. So I mean no time ever any my sister because I still call you my sister. I still call you because maybe you want find me, maybe you call saga me. You are free. If you want to do it, you are very free. Everybody knows social media. If you want to insult me, good and fine, carry go. Maybe people will go they watch you well love or not you or no man go maybe the feast go talk for that. Okay? I not come. Only when I see the campus where you be, I go block your page. I don't want me to see any nonsense in okay, but they block every for. I go block and that's what I tell they do. I know the like person where try to insult a senior. I know they talk on before. Eat here but not dion. Or Johnny me heart here but no get talk. Or better boundary of it. And I be Jess. Or better boundary of it. Be Jess. Eat here but no one. Even though say you I senior you. I not go fetch through where because I know I didn't wear that man. So I know they do want to other person. You're going to want to watch my video. Oh, go it's not going to wear. And then me knock back. No. Or me, they analyze you are going to insult you on top of your video. I know they do one. You wear. If you don't say I don't fair do one. Right time for yes, say you don't do one for this one. You don't do one for this one. I know they do. You wear. I don't know how you're honey dear or when my dear. I know they do one. May I bought you only know about Johnny and he may respect anybody. Or say he bought you. It's here but not John. But Johnny met here but now. So Esther not can draw me put for their saga where they do. If you want to analyze it, you are free to do. I don't stand for my word. Say, I not go analyze two of them. I don't talk. I'm more log back. He analyze. I know my reason. I know why. And the issue where they do self. Me not begging your baby. I don't see anything for them. When I listen, I just they laugh. He might be positive. Hey, I not even do because. When I talk and say two of them, I like two of them. Not the truth. I like two of them. I know they carry a lot of video, but I like them. So not be because of say you're going to say because I they carry written video. I know even they carry again say I don't throw away everything. I know they carry. I want me. I know they carry any bini as far as say you be a do. I know they carry. Unless people where I see say we saga. I feel say okay. Me they draw you near body. Mostly I be who man or well no. I go they carry Rosie Page. Rosie Page, I go to carry. I go to carry Andrew Moforma, which is my brother. Andrew is my brother. Okay? I go to carry two of them. Then I go to get the way I tell they do because they understand me, I understand them. Apart from that one, I know they carry another person. And even if I don't even talk and say, many people know they carry their a video again, say she don't try. Which is right. No. As far as say, you don't fair give people say, waka amu. Ona would go to tower where you move. She try. I mean, I know where no man. So not because of that one. If I don't fair talk, go watch the video. It did there. It did this page where I tell they do and so. I said they fight. I will not. You go on. I for not even see this video because she tagged me. Okay? I for not see her. Some video the way person will tag me, I not they see her. Depends of Facebook. See her. This one na Esther doing. I don't know whether or not they see the video still.
Wait, this message is for Untouchable Mama.
When I join the listing, okay?
Untouchable Mama. Oh, yeah, now Untouchable Mama they call her now. We join.
Say I join.
We join Rita Yemi Uta.
Say I join.
See me, I did lie.
No.
Because of say she did carry. Untouchable
okay,
Mama.
Okay,
Neither they call her.
Oh no, sorry, beg. They confess. Oh no, sorry. That call we enter just now.
Away.
No, nah, more than no.
Messages from Untouchable Mama. Untouchable Mama. Oh, yeah, now Untouchable Mama, they call her now. We join.
Say I join.
We join Rita Yemi Uda. See me, I did lie.
See, I can't say she did lie.
Carry.
I bet you bring the
Untouchable
video
Mama
now.
TV, they call her.
I know the lie person will go life up my head. When I talk and say you dey lie, you understand? But who the video? He delete a video where I for talk say you dey lie. I don't know which kind lie. Can't say you lie. Eh? You will say. You see, when I see our people the way when they tell they do something. I beg you, when I see the way when they tell they do something.
Because of such they carry it a video. Now she can't join, take side.
Can you imagine?
Today now,
and she see the carry before.
Not be say I believe no later not send her because of you.
Just to draw me inside. Rita. You not believe that you can't insult me. I don't understand you.
Rita they talk today now lie. Now lie.
Wow.
You understand? Untouchable Mama, you are so say a disgrace where he knew.
Oh wow! This Untouchable Mama is a disgrace to Ikwedo. Then may a disgrace you were just the social media now a piece in Ohuagaro. Can you imagine? I never use that words for her. When she knows say now she be the #1 disgrace for social media. They talk to me say, "Hey, I don't understand some women. I don't understand some women. No, but if me na disgrace to social media, women for social media, social media run a peace. According to her, I'm a disgrace to social media women or social. What can you imagine? Can you imagine? I don't know. I don't understand though. I don't understand some of you. Just because you want to draw me, if you want to insult me, you want good and fine, go. Right time for them. Untouchable down. Or go on better bijou. How do you want to say? That's what they do an issue. If I reply you dun need your boy. I don't get to that time. This is 2023. Abi ma bere video ni mujo. Ukbona jena. Oda o. Emi no keke ati eni negina this year. I don't want to reply you. May I tell you say I see am. I not tag me again. I go block all your page. I not a nonsense in. I no need that at all. This is 2023. A year never 1 year never by age me. Your momo. Okay? I don't be small picking. Not do down. Do I feel like I want somebody because of waiting, because of social media. I want to sit down. I want to analyze. If I like to analyze, you will analyze. If I don't like this 2023, I know they analyze anybody. If you never hear, na me hear. Person whether they call Edo people. I beg. I'm not part of anybody. Take me out. I don't get time for anybody again. Do what I want, me want. Emi na ze una manari egbe. Eh? Abe ze we mi amari egbe bo.
Say you dey advance, you matured for live video presenter, but you decide
just to insult me,
to say your Edo sister. You decide to join lie, so if to say the truth. You come dey analyze video, the Benna, Esther, Untouchable Mama, the respect where I be get.
Oh, go on, but respect him. No, I will get down what you respect me. Never in history, I will get how you respect me. I don't need anybody respect for social media. Don't give it to me. In respect to why in my like, I know like her. I know people where go give me respect, where I go collect them. Oh, one on the social media, don't try it. Who will respect someone? You are a shame. You are a disgrace to women. Don't try it. I never do you like that. When I wear a nonsense to respect you. When I wear nonsense to respect, the way video ni may not be bad. I talk with you, I see. I said, well, you were too fast to insult the father. Of course. Only now you are journal to error that for way. That's what happened there. Those were there to where me I not forget. Ina me Rita we umani say a picture no ya celebrate someone. You don't need to go there. No, you report a page money. It's very bad. That's what I said. You might tell me away. I give this one out to this one. I give this one out to this one. What you say make I do? May I join you the beat Rita? I know if you join you the beat Rita. I know if you join Rita they beat you. Now what I see for social media or they come tie where I be another one day where you know say I talk. I don't understand. Abio wakagele swantie bonera rije. Now the truth, everybody's here. No matter say that one, go there, go tell you, say, now wait, I don't understand though. I don't understand. If person can't tell me now something, okay, otama we, eti ebo no mana. Inya oni ya pushi we, nuti ebone. Unariye. Emi no reho woja we me. That's why they talk my own. Umana onu diye. You can't go say, oh, advice when problem not there. You use your mind to do what you want to do. I be not so, I not be so my people. You feel corner, you say, make I advise you. I go advise you. You know me say you want to use my advice to do something. Yeah, what bore my day or marry. Emi no run my hoe, my yawe me, okay? Emi no re hoe her yawe me. She tried to tell you, say, eti e bono mana, inya oni ya overi na. If you like, you take. If you don't like, you go, you fire down. You start to insult the person if you want insult them. But when you can say you might hear bonnet town, it was bad. That's why I still tell you. Before I could do a bonnet, what your bonnet, you may go on. Only that one video I think say I do. I come up for that, not concern me. Because I have a man who I'm begging before they go to a bonnet, get out of the way. Even in Nigeria, Yao. I don't the devil tell you what it is. Even in Nigeria, Yao. Let's only get on sell, we do that way away a pay show. Do I ever talk? You may go on. You may go on. I throw away everything. So that's where me amegbe or me amegbe. I not say you lie or you not lie. I only tell you say you were too fast to insult the parents. That's what you bonne rita. Wolo come you what you bonne bo problem iro. But you na reagira rije. Always you no na no na do ati no other phone we. Abi, not be say it happen my people. Not say it happen. Eh? If you go ni gwe a page oma we that is a page. Page not be that kind thing where be say person go celebrate you, then you go there and not be saying na your video, na your picture, a picture of my no or celebrate. Then you go there, una ya strike a page on, which is very bad. I give on to Rita also. So then where do I don't understand you? Why not be like this? If una no saga don't they grant they go now they find where one drop person. Person like me, nobody feel draw me for saga. If I feel like say I want to talk to you, I will talk to you. I just say me, I just talk to you for this one. Oh, way came from January now, you say December, when I want it. Oh, gosh, mama, I will not reply you because you want to finish it, I will block you on my because he got a rubbish. No sense, I know they need them. Do what I be they respect you. I be they respect you. Remember, Begoman will respect. Why respecting me? I want them my day. This 2023, I want them my day. Everybody did their day. As far as say you be bini, you be over here do. I beg. My front today, make you over here do. We go me. Okay? I don't be over here do again. I don't be over here.
All of now we join Rita, we come the fear Rita, say Rita go arrest to na mama for house. Now because of say
what go why ya man no man arrest ya. Me I don't understand una. If una just dey talk sometimes. If I see something I want to talk, I talk. Esther go make my way. I don't dey fear anybody. Imo ma rockba. Say maybe person want go arrest. Not saying everybody you just call say go the house. Who you arrest? Oma no so banana arrest. Inya chemical ya ko Oma mi uri le ba ni re. E do be oma yejo. Not be every house person you big. You just both go say you want go arrest. I beg. What be honest some sense na? A family so we do ni yan gbala magbe. Ala mariyan No, this one where Esther on the talk. So me ma understand oh. I don't understand. The video where me do, if you go look and the thing go, it's like if you not see view again, you people like to saga people where be say they never draw their name comment. Let make you go read this one comment so. Because if you really they watch my video, you see say I talk and say if saga this Lolo and Rita comments, I no go talk put. When I do the video, it did there. I say I no go talk put. I no go analyze on. I no be you go come tell me say make I come analyze. Table shaker. Say you see this. I don't see anything for there. Ikwe ma baba no. Boji o. Karamo. Fie kame. This one. Now I see for there. I don't see anything. Nothing there. Nothing. If you see something, me mother anything. The one with me wash up.
Adezi onsi omo manirita ya arrest, omo manirita ya muje ebe na bata.
I agree with you, Ebere.
Even why if anybody, as far as say I not fair conduit to anybody, unless una vanish come off for Nigeria, I say, oh, you understand? Because waiting me life for this life, do person waiting they do you not do waiting person not do you say you want conduit to the person.
Waiting for concern. That's all now.
Today now call touchable mama. You not come analyze Lolekia.
Can you imagine?
And retake your video again now because you fear it.
Because
also you feel say you tell yourself say you know they fear me.
Hey!
Say I no fit saga you that time.
Esther, go ahead. Oja be saga we. Are you mad? How we? Who you want saga? Who your saga donkey? Who you want? Oh, a saga no wake saga do man wagbe why? Who na donkey for the saga? No one am yegbe why or hand you wagbe wa we na. Wa social media. Oh go kill your papa. Oh go kill your mama. Your mama nyash. I know your papa house. I know this one. Wa am yegbe Germany waji. Why say you anything? Do something. Oh wait, you think I not fit saga you? Who your saga help? Who you want key for the saga? And what alone no la where depression well high. Not being the saga. Not being be the saga. I bet mona park where mona carona said go one side. One a me boy. I don't get better. I don't get better. I say social media do act bobbing and get an object. I bet carry your one and go one song to corner. If you want saga person, and why you're bunny. I know now this one I mean not like you. Don't threaten me with saga. If you want to do it, do it. Abi ubeli ya not aware message to touch over mama ubeli bi gwi angwa. Wa gbeli care no wo de gbela wa we. Wetin concern me? Me mo hin saga o. I don't get time for rubbish. That make me no want even stay for inside. That make me no want even stay for inside. I don't the fear saga. Nothing say because I did my own. I the fear saga. Imo hin saga. If you want to do it, honestly, if you want to do it from now, January to December, you can do it. You are free to do it. And expect you know you fear you wait toilet. Just start now. If you feel like say wait till I tell you, why not be like this? Wait till you see for the video where I tell you. Do I insult you? The answer is no. I give you all to your own. I give her all to her own. Because no matter what buy the free now, no matter where saga you want to draw me there, I not go come with you. If you like, you talk heaven ahead from now. I just say me, I can't tell you, so me do the saga. No, the feel where maybe I not see. You do the saga, carry on. Now me dash you, just the carry they go. Eh? I don't know the way when I say they behave. Since you wanna come where saga, they go up banya there you were born. Can't you people sit down? Why yeah. Eh? Odian, I heard ya, Obonokba, I got call you ene. Can't you people just sit down once and think away? Una is bad. No. You want to threaten me with say, just say your name, make I not saga you. Well, he may woman know. Hotel Donia na be me, Ken Donia ya woman. Imo oma rockba. I know the fear, I the respect. I the take right? Okonu ya momo netwin. I go give you that respect. I mean, I never go see kegbe, but I will be like be. At the talk on, once you don't insult me for this social media, you are a goner. Why me no not to me no ya how tie. Let make my day just stay my own. You go like nonsense in what man. I'm sorry and this. I apologize. I don't need that. Let make me the day my stay. Let make me day my day. When you analyze a video ya fe when munian we analyze it. Any ever banana. And you carry analyze it. Why good you way? Must you call me inside? Must I come and analyze it? No. Any yanimia social media analyze. What the jamais just wait because whatever they conquer, you know, that make me even talk. Otherwise, what it concern me? Then you tell the banny. Even me heart has a woman at your bonnet or has a very time I don't hear bonnet. I mean, Hanta, I'm a mean just where he am a me or who are ban of when you go job. Now make us the talk. Otherwise, what it concern me? Oviena mo hin abi obi jeme, you not concern me wa gbele gbuwa, wa je ogoya veg gbuwa nwo ikame wuwe. O ma kan me. Just when you wear, I don't even agree or get us. If I try no $1 now do. So if you don't like him, Where you work with me where I can't sit down, I can't carry Edo people, Benin people. I can't carry Benin people like this. Eh, on our one on now. That's why I see this one. That's why I don't see this one. This is 2023. Odawa ugi yeke. I know they do. I know they do. Now make me tell two of them say, if you now fight me, I know come analyze her. As I see as I not see her. My opinion is not needed. On my counts. I want to go front. I don't want to go back. So my people, now this one actually do the thing just they provoke me. I was like, wait till they happen. Video where me do. Even that time where I do the video, because I they watch that test, I they watch Esther that time. He husband insult me for the video. On a tie I watch and I just watched there that moment. I was like, he's a low boy. Do I insult you there? I only give my own. I only tell you, and it's true. Woman look at your bonere. Do manati bonere. Maybe she will not can't give out to your error from where. That's why it happen. It's true. Good and fine. But once you curse it, Papa, or not do I hear no error from where. Abiario yasunu. Edo yasunu. And once I know when your cab where are they, do come away, eti ebon lolo, bet him no row me do ya with me. Okay? Do not feel where one bomb and one tear bonnet. Go ahead, do it this social media. Or when if you want to do it, go and do it. Now some people even tell you, didn't you get the do set it or convince you where or my get do where or do well or that way because once person don't provoke for inside, you want to insult that person. If you want go do one. Let make me come tell you now. Say since you don't provoke now, if you want to insult me, you can go and do it. I don't bloody care. No tie me no tie mu me gboto anything. Why we sfogare na me ni taloka sfogati. Talekwa, then you go inside and sleep. Then yes, you good and fine. Then you down there good and fine. I leave you for your God. Me I not get time. Even gonna silly near. That is why I know the insult person for my live video. I know they like to say now me if I go insult you. No. And if I want to talk something, I'll say this is my opinion. Or say na mo ejo that make me they use all the time because if you women so erediyan and win and say on win and yeke. It's my opinion. Then you think no. If you don't like it, good and fine. Good and fine. So I don't provoke you, man. Maybe you want to tell and say your Leo. I don't want me to curse you. Curse me and good. You don't already curse me for a year because I never tell you say you are a disgrace. Niki are social media now. I never many things where you don't they do. I never come to and say Esther, you are a disgrace. So I never tell you. I never tell you. But you use it for me. Who use them? So do I come out where I did they respect you before? Which kind of nonsense be that one? When you respect you, I respect also no. When I never insult you. You confident insult me, you can't tell me say I be they respect you. I be carry your respect, go one corner, see I no want see him. If I not respecting me, I know them. Anybody where there for social media, if you they respect me before, throw away for dustbin. Throw away because I see say this social media, no respect. Oh you can carry a rock bug when I worry. Oh tie bonera tie boni joy. Oh behanya we. Let all me we maybe or get us a bit. I beg. So 5 me, you are respecting me. That one is enough for me. Enough. Equal respect on social media because error. I not be a quarter hammer no verse. Social media affecting, is saga affecting. I know the one. Once you cause for brandy, just they go. If you see me for us, if I see you, I don't know you, you don't know me. Simple as ABC. That make me the day my leg. You also an idea but normal. But if you want to do, you can do. I dash you can do. Because me auntie a hero now. We saga here now. You want to use me, make another similar dia. You are a disgrace. Can you imagine? Let's say maybe you talk and say, you not can't talk put now. With the expect you, may you can't talk put. I see somebody tag me say, well, touchable mama, you betray, but the rest still for. You understand? Because I don't talk for my video. Say if two of them fight, I not go talk put. Point iguanjo. When he me or when he ma me or jo, I not go talk. Because two of them are person where I like. You know me say me if I not talk, but I don't talk and say I not go talk put. Okay, me ya tiny. You can do here and any tiny way, but do you only do land here, and that's why I see. That's why I not see. Even we will be the talk saying that's so we see, and that's so we not see. In my ya tia. Okay, because they are all where me listen, I don't see anything. Ima dege me your back, the money. I not see anything. Just misunderstanding. No. Person like me. If I dey follow you, dey waka, I see the way we take they do, or you can't run for me. I go copy about it, not concern me. I not go ask you, say, what you see. I not go ask you what you not see. Maybe you just feel like you want to day your day. I go, yeah, I go respect her. I go still day my day. The social media, I can analyze what say no. I don't say now, boss by a nakbo, which kind of saying. I bet my people, the tea just they provoke me. Esther, you are free to insult me. Okay, you are free. Anybody when want insult me, more carry go. Why insult me? But make sure for me and you, or for real no, or not for real no, day your day. I don't want to hear anything concern you again. That be my life. I'll see you only tell no matter. Because once we don't exchange ways. You don't finish. If you see me, I bet carry your one lago. If I see you, carry my one lago. Ask us. Nobody they feed each other for the social media. Oh, but here I need when I try to use in a sense, Saga, I want to swing ya. I want to swing. You want to draw a touchable mama inside. You must come talk inside. You are a useless to this one. You are a this one. I be the respect you before. Your respect no backlog for my body. Okay? If you be person where get sense, I talk to both of you now. Why if I go one? On a lake and on a area bene, not by the on area bene. If you want to take her, then now you can't bring her come and say. Not be say you be no one saga me before. And then that for I see him for the video. He insult me. I see him. When I see him, Joy Kukuma come up for there. I say, wait till I tell these people now. He might tear bonnet. Or tear bomb me video, no, I saw. Or tear bomb me video ni. Who got me? Where I would be ya watching because you see, I say I no insult you, and I make you no comment. That's all they do. You know, say I no insult you for that video. You for come for me, can't insult me back because you are way. But why now? Come the bring up. You want me to come and insult both of them where they fight? How know why you can't they choke me for inside? Say we respect me because one can't hear bomb many. This was that for work can't hear me. So no one I don't know how I'm a disgrace. So me na a disgrace. There you many me disgrace according to you. There you want it baje everywhere for cool. Not be saying a lie. A year was cool. From January to December. Both bas. You don't ever see my own like that. Men are a disgrace on where I owe. You don't ever see my own like that. You know, they. So where they mention where they are in marriage, since a disgrace marriage, where they get better time and where they descend disgrace. Na me with social media not do they. If now so every woman be as me be, I am me be now. Now I start talking. Now she use the mouth to talk. Say I be disgrace. Wait. Maybe men not on the thing. Say maybe people were just the console.
Because of say, una de fear, wama de zionsi. Oh, one retire, restage. Oh, one retire, muji.
And they come here and just play and not talking.
Wait, this message is
me to do content
on Untouchable Mama. Untouchable Mama. Oh, yeah. Now Untouchable Mama, they call her now. We join. Retire me uda. See me, I did lie. Because of say she did carry Untouchable Mama TV, neither they call her. You see me. Because of say I did carry, because of say she did carry Rita video. Now she can't join, take side. Today now go where Rita they confess say na Loleka na send. Not be say I believe Loleka not send and because of you now make Rita attack me.
Can you imagine?
All wait till Rita they talk today na lie. Na lie. You understand? Untouchable Mama, you are so say a disgrace where he do because you say you they advance.
Try to be like more will be disgrace. People go they hate you. You know, me will be disgrace. I know they do saga from January to December. You will not be disgraced. We fit send many video come where you don't. Hey, I salo boa. Una just a talk, just to open mouth to talk. Just no, I want me because he said no. Don't let me make me do this here, Berry. Because he said that time she for saga me. Not be say she don't want be saga me. She not get time. So me can't see the video. She tag me. I said she not tag me. If I finish now, I'll block her page because I not get nonsense. I maybe no, I got taloni. I know they see all of them. I'll block her. I don't want me to see that rubbish. He said for saga me. It's like he maybe I don't know how to talk her. I don't want me. I just tell now. Because as he said all this one, say, you are a disgrace. Let make me cry. For no even men now. So I want me, she still be like me. Me will be disgraced to you, women were there for social media. May she still be like me. May she be disgraced as me still be. Now me cannot be a him, because you know see people now. All you want don't saga this one, saga this one, saga this one. Bring people when me don't saga. When me just sit down, I can't carry their video, I can't they saw them, I can't they saga them. Bring them come. I don't understand you now. Why not be like this? What damn you?
You matured for live video presenter.
I know mature.
But you decide to say your Edo sister.
Can you imagine?
You decide to join.
I said my Edo sister. Can you imagine?
Esther,
do you know what you are saying? I said my Edo sister. You na Edo sister. So Rita na Edo sister. Which one I can't say? I can't say you for Rita. If I see the video, my people, where I talk about them, I will share them. Mona go rewatch them. I know they like people where they say they'll just like to talk. If you hate somebody, you want to saga that person, go ahead. Saga the person. No, wait.
You come and you can analyze video, the banner, Esther, untouchable mama, the respect where I be get for you. That's the way I see that video. All of now we do the video. All of now we enjoy Rita, we can fear Rita, say Rita, go arrest to na mama for house. Now because of say, una they fear,
why our Edo people they do like this, my people? If you talk for issue, they will say you they join that one. But if you talk maybe the one where is sweet there, they will like her. I don't know. Me, I be that kind of person. If maybe I get issue with somebody, person can analyze her. I go pay for it. I'll say, okay, now your opinion. Good and fine. I don't say you join this one, you not join this one. The important thing say insult no do matter care where as maybe the thing they happen between me and you. Even the way I take, because me, I know they like to they take issue like say, now me this something happen to. You know concern me. Now analyze that. When you they analyze issue, you don't need to join anybody. Put your opinion, this and this one. You come up for that. You understand? You don't need to take the say. Yeah, now you want to beat the other one or you want to beat the other one. Why me go join you? I don't understand. Why I go join Rita? I don't understand. You never do me something for this social media. Rita never do me something for this social media. So why I go come carry two of una video now? I'll come. He said that because they carry Rita video. Not be only Rita video. I just see they do my own. I see they do my own. And I don't even stop them because of why I see one. Maybe you know, some people they where they contact me. Mama, they carry my video. It's just that I say, I beg, I not fit. Or I will change the banner where not carry again. People they call me. Me and they carry. It's just that I feel like say, I don't want me to carry. Or if I don't, I know because the two they change their mind. When I know when here with my okay. I see they find some video, they do my own, they do my thing. I go come analyze and put up for them. So all this national actor one that they use, so now not the same again. This 2023. I don't delete everybody video. I don't need that again. Because my phone it's just the truth. If they give you something, they must make sure that they can't use and they strike you or one thing and all that they will do. But don't forget say now they first tell you say problem not there. Esther, if you want to saga me, you are free to do it. Now we'll go. Hey, respect me, money day now. And I know for my mind, see, I don't insult you. You were the first person to insult me. Say I be disgraced. So you will not be disgraced. Every blessed day you dey fight. Me will be disgraced. I am you. We may fight him and along my home. I don't understand that. Then it's a disgrace of him many of my senior. Now good pass. So my people may I live on for you. And I don't say I guess more Qatar or how you worry. So now that one I just see because I know they like all this rubbish. I bet this Lolo and Rita issue, Mona not call me for it, okay? Mona not call me. Nobody should contact me to tell me to send me post. This one, don't do it. I don't want to talk anybody will be being there for social media. I talk on this 2023. I will not be talking into their way. And no kind a matter. I don't want to go there again. I don't want to go because I want to go front. I don't want to go back. That's what they say that you understand. Social media now for know everybody. Now I go still leave them too. I want to do my own thing. Okay? More than no verse. I love everybody. I don't hate anybody. If you say you hate me, carry your hate they go. I hate it when I'm not here, and then I know I be that kind of person. If I talk something, that's why they talk. Better maybe I want to go find 1 cent for them. Me I can't carry, or me I can't carry. I can't beat Lolo, or me I carry. I can't beat Rita. No, two of them they are mature. more social media, everybody now adult. So if you want carry on one day analyze, good and fine. If you not analyze, don't feel the analyzer. Wanna give them cup. I said we need to change from somewhere. We need to change. If you don't want to change, me, I'm changing. And they go. I don't get time. Yes, so very good decision. I just said I don't take her. I think now before I boss now I take her say never. I don't talk with they concern me. I know them before. The answer is no. I don't know anybody. Social media now I meet anybody agmoya. I have say IG. As I say well, I mean no giku well. So me, I be that kind of person. Let me just kukuma come on myself. If you got this one, they know they play. You got this one, maybe they don't insult her. You got this one, may even know now. Ija, Esther, use your sense. Do I insult you? If you want to saga me, want to insult me, go ahead and do it. When you finish, then you enter your house, then you sleep. Maybe a night where hammer where what you do to this woman is good, or what you do is bad. My people, may I live on. So that's why I see my people. So any Edo person where they do saga, let them do it. I'm not there. I will not analyze. I don't nanda. Niente. I don't get time. This is 2023. Face your life. I want a lot. Why when we time another one go see condo bar for you. Or where go time. What a time yet when not take a king. Can you imagine? I don't understand. So what is the need? I wear me over here or my hand and not do bomb by. How they do another thing? That's why I be my people. So see my beautiful sister for there you day. So now be that one my people. So have a lovely day, Mona stay blessed. So if you see people they insult me, Mona live and then in Oriye for you walk me not after say me, in my cat here, but no man is back to send out anything. Yaka away or what deal or what Dr. Tanya. But if I not fair do you just know what do I tell me? You must surely bolo you go park on. That be my own. That make me cat here, but no man. Now, bye bye. God bless you for being here. I really appreciate you now. When I help me send this message, go give her. Because I respect in here, respect on my respect our kweni. I be they respect you. You be they respect me. You they insult me for your video. Which kind of thing be that one? Do I ever insult you? Even though say I want to analyze you, you might hear but no there. You might hear no there. Even though say I senior you or you senior me, it's here no. I will talk with you. I want to talk. I come up for that. I go even tell and say, na my opinion. I got my bad opinion, man. I will come up for that. That's why they tell them to do my thing. I know say our people opinion when I go by. Bye bye, my people. God bless you. Thank you for being here. Bye bye. I know fish shots. I have no worry and you know for. So see you. We'll do our thing, okay? So I know so many people like saga, but me, I don't like that saga of a thing. You don't know where you're picking one waka go tomorrow. Not be say I dey fear. If you know me, my children don't grow. My pikin, if you go marry anybody, pikin. So I don't want me come be say, man, cat here, born and out here, no, I don't need that. This social media, your pikin, if you waka go any corner. And even way here no man, that's why I be. And be that person, I will never do enmity to anybody because of say me and you or I can say I can't do it. Why can it? Why can it? Now bye bye. Ciao everybody.